Hello! So today I'm going to show you a sunset on the beach eye look. I was inspired by a picture I took on the beach the other night. I'm going to start with the color Sunlit, which is a 3D cream foundation color. I use it as a primer all over my eyelids. And I'm using a detail brush, and that just is a light coverage all over the eyelids. Next, I'm going to use my eyeshadow brush. I'm going to go into this color. It is Valencia. And I'm going to windshield wiper it all the way across my crease and a little bit above my crease so that you can see the color when my eyes are open. I'm going to do that on both eyes, really getting the eyeshadow on there, making sure I have a really good coverage. And I'm going to go under each lash line, bottom lash line, with the same color. Next, I'm going to go into the color Ivy League, and I am going to use, and it's a really dark green, like a hunter green. And I'm going to use the eyeshadow brush again, fluffy end, and I'm going to focus that only on the outer corner of my eye, and I just want that depth right there at the very edge. So just focusing really in that little outer edge area. And then you can go a little bit above your brow bone if you have hooded eyes like I do to make sure there is some color when you open your eyes. Otherwise, it all hides whenever you open them. Next, I'm going to go into this color Denim. It's a pretty vibrant blue, and it does have some shimmer in it. I'm going to pack it on right next to the Ivy League color. Really just packing on, focusing it right there on that outer edge. You can bring it a little bit above the crease, so you have some color there. Making sure you're blending really well to get the colors to meld together. Next, I'm going to go into that color Bayou. And I'm going to place that on the center of my eyelids. And I'm really going to pack that on too. I want that color to really show up and be vibrant. I'm going to bring that a little bit above the lid up onto the brow bone. I'm going to kind of blend that out to the edges. Next, I'm going to use the multitasker brush, and I'm going to go into this color Blondie. It's a really pretty gold. I am going to pack that right in my inner corners and continue to focus right there on the inner corner, blending it over to the Bayou color, both eyes. You just want to blend those really well together. Just make sure you don't see any line there. Then I'm going to go in with my eyeshadow brush, the fluffy end, and I'm going to go across the whole eye look, blending it all together, okay? Next, I'm going to go into this color As You Wish, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone and my inner corners of my eyes. That's just going to give me some light there. And then I'm going to use that multitasker brush again, large end. Going to use the color Bayou, and I'm going to line my lower lash and come in as far as the color goes in on the top lash, so it kind of matches. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with the same brush into the color Blondie, and I'm going to line the lower lash on the inner corner of my eyes, and I'm going to connect it to that upper so that it's a seamless look. Okay. Last, I'm going to go back into Valencia and just kind of wash that across that area and kind of blend it. And then I'm going to go back into Denim, and I'm going to use the line brush, and I'm going to line my upper lash line. That's just going to give me some pop there at the lash line. It's going to make that blue kind of stand out a little bit more. And then here I'm just going to clean up the edges. I did go out a little bit. I'm using a dry cloth. And then I'm going to use my highlight color again, Sunlit, and that's going to give me an eye lift and really clean up that eye look. That's it. This was really fun. I hope you like it too. Please like and share with anyone that you think might like this too. Thanks for watching.